Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the PC has a working Bluetooth adapter and current drivers. This matters because Windows uses the adapter to bridge network profiles. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi radios so the system can see devices and networks simultaneously. Make sure the target device is discoverable and within range, because pairing failures usually stem from distance or visibility. You're now ready to open the Bluetooth settings and initiate the pairing process to create a secure link between devices. You pair the devices next, confirming passkeys on both ends so you avoid a man-in-the-middle risk. Pairing establishes trust and lets services share data. Once paired, enable network sharing or tethering on the host device. This exposes its internet via Bluetooth PAN, Personal Area Network. Then on the PC, open Network Connections and choose the Bluetooth network adapter or connect through the Bluetooth tethering entry. This routes internet traffic over the established PAN. Once IP settings, negotiate correctly. You finish by verifying the PC received an IP via DHCP from the host. If not, assign a compatible static IP in the same subnet so packets route properly. Once set, test connectivity with a quick ping or open a web page to confirm DNS and gateway reachability. This verifies both link and routing. If things fail, restart Bluetooth and network adapters, repair the devices, and make sure firewall or security software isn't blocking the PAN service. These steps resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.